coming through. Move, move.
Oh, excuse me. I was kind of using that machine.
Yeah, well, now you're kind of not.
But I saved it. I put my basket on top.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is that your basket?
Yes.
It's really pretty. Unfortunately, I don't see suds.
What?
No suds, no save. Okay?
What's going on?
Hi. Nothing. This horrible woman just took my machine.
Was your basket on top?
Yeah, but there were no suds.
So?
Well, you know, no suds, no save.
No such. Excuse me. Hold on a second. This is my friend's machine.
Hey, our stuff wasn't in it.
Hey, that's not the rule, and you know it. All right, show's over. Nothing to see here. Okay, let's do laundry.
That was amazing.
Well-
I can't even send back soup.
Well, that's because you're such a sweet, gentle. Oh, hey, you must need detergent. Oh,
What's that?
Uberweiss. It's new. It's German. It's extra tough. Rach, are you going to separate those?
Oh, God. Oh, I'm being like a total laundry spaz. I mean, am I supposed to use like one machine for shirts and another machine for pants?
Have you never done this before?
Well, not myself, but I know other people that have. Okay, you caught me. I'm a laundry virgin.
Well, don't worry. I'll use the gentle side. Okay. Basically, you want to use one machine for all your whites.
Whites.
Okay. A whole nother machine for your colors. And a third for your delicates, and that would be your bras and your under panty things.
Okay. Well, what about these are white cotton panties? Would they go with whites or with delicates?
That would be a judgment call.